Voltage current characteristics of PN junction diode. It is the graph between V and I. The curve drawn between voltage across the junction along x-axis and the current through the circuits along the y-axis. They describe the DC behavior of the diode. When it is in forward bias, no current flows until the barrier voltage is overcome, and the barrier voltage for germanium is 0.3 volt. Then the current has a linear rise and the current increases with the increase in forward voltage like an ordinary conductor. In the reverse bias, potential barrier at the junction is increased, junction resistance increase and prevents current flow. In the reverse bias, we know that p-type semiconductor is connected with the negative terminal of the battery and n-type semiconductor is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. However, the minority carriers are accelerated by the reverse voltage, resulting a very small current, reverse current in the order of microamperes. The minority charge carriers in the p-type semiconductor are electrons, and in n-type semiconductor the minority carriers are holes. When reverse voltage is increased beyond a value called breakdown voltage, the reverse current increases sharply and the diode shows almost zero resistance. It is known as avalanche breakdown. Reverse voltage above 25 volt destroy the junction permanently. Working of a PN junction. It is the VI characteristic of the PN junction diode, and forward bias and reverse bias are represented in this graph. PN junction diode act as a rectifier. Certain current flows in the forward bias mode and negligible current flows in the reverse bias mode until Zener or avalanche breakdown happens. Thus, the PN junction diode allows the electrons flow only when P is positive. That means if p-type semiconductor is connected with the positive terminal of the battery and n-type semiconductor is connected with the negative terminal of the battery, then the diode will be forward biased, and in this condition the current will flow. This property is used for the conversion of AC into DC, which is called rectification. Automatic switch. When the diode is forward biased, the switch is closed. In this condition, the current will flow, and when it is reverse biased, then negligible current will flow and it is open. That means switch is open. Advantages: no filament is necessary, and second advantage is occupies lesser space and long life. Third advantage: applications. It work as a rectifier to convert AC into DC, and as a switch in computer circuits, as a detector in radios to detect audio signal.